Hi, I am Aaron from PHNIX. Today, I would like to introduce you one product. Have you ever felt uncomfortable when you are swimming in an indoor pool where the humidity is too high? Have you ever seen your furniture and work of your house become mildew in wet weather? Here, I will show you a solution for these issues. Look at these pictures. There are our PHNIX dehumidifiers, which will offer you a more comfortable and wonderful life. Now, I'm going to show you some information about PHNIX dehumidifiers. There are 3 parts for my introduction: overview, advantages, and applications. As you can see, there are 2 colors for options, white and black. The floor panel is made by glass. And especially, PHNIX dehumidifier are controlled by touch screen on the glass panel. When using the dehumidifier, you will feel just like your mobile phone. And then, as for advantages, the first one, the dehumidification of PHNIX dehumidifier reaches as much as 4.3 liters per hour at 30 degrees Celsius ambient temperature and 80% relative humidity. The second one, PHNIX dehumidifier adopts DC vac motor for air circulating. The noise is only 38 dB, making the units working silent. The third one, PHNIX dehumidifier especially adopted epoxy thick air exchanger, a feature with great anti-corrosion performance. Ensure the units a longer work life. The fourth one, with compactina structure, PHNIX dehumidifier feature ultra-thin casing of 200 mm thickness, requiring little space for your indoor pool or house. Besides, the installation of PHNIX dehumidifier is very simple. Hang on the wall, connecting the dry pipe and plugging in. That's it. Here comes the parameter of PHNIX dehumidifier. Actually, we have 3 models based on different dehumidification capacity. You can select the suitable model by those parameters according to your requirement. Take a look at this. This photo of dehumidifier are get from our customer. Finally, I hope you can enjoy a more comfortable and wonderful life with PHNIX dehumidifier. That's all. Thank you.